After starting to ask information about AI generated content, Amazon KDP just made another update about the file submission limit. You can find this information now on the KDP Help Center webpage. To see it, click Format Your Paperback on the left menu and then click Paperback Submission Guidelines under this subject. Here it is. They say, to ensure a positive customer experience, we limit the number of books a user can submit for publishing at the same time and within a specific period of time. If you expect to regularly publish a large number of books, please contact us to inquire about an exception. Wow, it is the best news to stop the spammers in the KDP community so far. There is no official information for the moment about how many books you can upload at the same time and within a specific period. Besides this, it's not clear if the file submission limit is daily or not. It is said that some publishers get warnings after trying to upload 3 books in a day. As Amazon didn't indicate this information here, I think that they may start a tier system on Amazon KDP as they have on Amazon Merch. In their tier system on Amazon Merch, each account has different tier levels and their publishing limits are based on the tier level of their accounts. If they start something like this, we will be able to see our tier level on the dashboard soon. Anyways, what I understand from the last 2 updates, I mean file submission limit and AI generated content update, is that Amazon wants to stop spammers who use AI generated content and publish large number of books with poor quality. If you read again the file submission limit guideline, it says to ensure a positive customer experience. I think another reason for these 2 last updates is that Amazon is preparing itself against potential lawsuits from artists due to copyright issues related to content created with Midjourney and other artificial intelligence, as I explained in my previous video. So, I am not against AI, but if you want to build a sustainable business model and create high quality books for your low content book publishing business, I advise you to learn professional design tools like Adobe Illustrator. If you are interested in learning Adobe Illustrator, the 7-day free trial link is below in the description, and I will upload first tutorial very soon on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.